the safety already of a low current running into soft skin. Some arrive already counting rounds. Nature loads a gun. Tiny mouth already tastes the metal, or maybe that's just how memory sells it. Either way, the chain waits for years. Nature loads the gun. Nature loads the gun. Nature pulls the trigger. One hands you the darkness, the other shows you where to aim it quicker. You can curse the blueprint, you can curse the hand, but the barrel still turns toward whoever's standing. Nature loads the gun. Nature pulls the trigger. One kid learns the world bends when you beg. Another line did only breaks when you beg. One house teaches mercy, one house teaches teeth. Different lessons, slaying grief underneath. Some are aimed at the edge from day one. Some will walk that slow, step by step, scarring at the moment someone decides to stop or start. That's the sound of the hammer falling apart. Nature loves the gun. Nature pulls the trigger. But the finger lies stay steady. The lies to the figure. You can hate the cradle, hate the street. Still the echo lives inside your heartbeat. There's a third voice, small, dry, almost bored. Says you don't have to fire, but you've out the core. Not the blood, not